I'm Bharti Agarwal from NBG Printographic Machinery Company. NBG is one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers in printing and packaging machines. Today I want to demonstrate you our V-bottom paper bag machines. NBG has 3 models in V-bottom: V10, V14 and V18. So let's start with an unwind. Our unwind is equipped with a hydraulic loading system where you can load heavy reels up till 1 ton. This is also equipped with a pneumatic shaft for loading the rolls. This machine consists of 2 color printing units. Would include 1 impression cylinder, 1 printing cylinder, 1 analog roller and 1 ink pickup roller. Each printing unit would require number of polymer plates according to the number of colors you want to print. This printing unit is included with a circumferential registration system and the side registration system. This machine has a control here where you can control between the printing and the cutting. This also have a web brake detector, so if your web path breaks, the machine will stop automatically. This is a very operator-friendly machine. With the inching controls and other controls on the machine, this makes easy that one operator can run the machine. Let's come and have a look onto the main control panel. The main control panel includes the emergency stop, speed up, speed down, so that you can increase the speed and decrease the speed according to your convenience. This machine also consists of a kicker where you can make the batches according to your convenience. If you want to make 50 number of batches, you can make 50. If you want to make 100, you can make accordingly. Now talking about the manufacturing of this machine, this machine is manufactured with all the standard features where the drives are from Rexroth and all the electrical components are from Schneider. Thank you. I would like you to visit to our factory and have a look on the live demonstration of our V-bottom paper bag machines. I would also like you to have a look on our other machines which we are manufacturing, like slitting machines and flexo printing machines. Please subscribe to the channel below, and any other further queries, please contact to the number given below. Thank you.